Mikey talaga, oh. Ayan. Ang laki mo, Boss B. Para kasi Boss Dogs. Hindi naman, sakto. Di ko naman.
Wala. 0-2, 3. You want 5.
Robot, ano?
Paso, Yuki, serve ka, paso ID, wala, lumot ko dito, paso Jerry. Wow! First, big ball. Number 8. Eh, number 8 pala.
Number 8 kasi, -1.
15 seconds to shoot.
Laki ni Mikey, ha?
2-1 by Mikey the Pocoten. Score, 4-4. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. 3% of the number 27. Bola. Nasa akin na 8 minutes remaining. 83, wala. Yung mag-Mikey, what a power in ball, Rabongi.
Rabongi.
QC, pass to Lady. Limon by Benny. Intercepted by Kakay. Wow! 3 points by Alta. Change table. Wow, second team foul. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. 5 seconds to shoot. Good catch. 10 seconds to shoot. Sige. Salamat kuya. Wala pa rin. Intercepted.
18.
Two balls by number 3. 9-4.
Tambak kami, ah.
5-point lead by team.
Jero, ang bawa ang bola, butataka kayo. Number 3, bawa pass to QC. Anong hatol? Foul daw po. Foul. 13 foul lang po. Anong team ba? Oras, 6 minutes and 12 seconds. Score, 9-4 in favor of team A. Team 9. Team A pala, team A. Foul! Warning for penalty. Guy.
Running time to, ha?
Running time po yan. Running time po. Naririnig pala. Envia. Pass number 9. 2 points. Number 3. Pass. Pass number 3. Steal by NPR. Tira. Wala. QC. Number 22.
May change na pala.